Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, Ahmedabad. And welcome to an evening of glitz and glamour, fashion and style, creativity and innovation. Welcome to FAR Season 1, the ultimate fashion destination. FAR, an acronym for Fashion at Aman Akash, is presented by Aman and Akash, our beautiful venue, in association with Amneal Pharmaceuticals, Star Jewelers, Radio Mirchi 98.3 FM. FAR is conceptualized and photographed and filmed by Ilesh Shah Photography. Radio partner, Radio Love. Powered by Karyeshu Mantri, Front Page, P. Gautam and Company, CMB UOH, Chips Express Private Limited. Radio partner, Mirchi Love. FAR Season 1 is managed by Point Black Events. This evening, FAR showcases the brilliance of Ahmedabad's vibrant fashion scene, promotes young and established talent from Ahmedabad and Gujarat across India, showcases arts and crafts of this colorful region, and ignites passion for fashion in Ahmedabad's jet set and fashion savvy. So welcome to FAR Fashion at Aman Akash. Our special gratitude to Aman Akash for this out-of-the-world venue, the new address for everything that is fashionable, and Amneal Pharmaceuticals for a strong association with FAR. Ladies and gentlemen, our 16 beautiful models are India's top models. We have the winners of 2 world titles, 8 Miss Indias, 4 have acted in films, 5 have acted in television serials. All of them have done fashion and rap shows abroad, some in the US and Canada, others in Europe, others in the Middle East and Africa, and some in Southeast Asia. All of them have walked the ramp for top designers at Wills India Fashion Week, Lakme Fashion Week, India International Jewelry Show, and many, many others. Our show director and choreographer Utsav Dholakia has directed and choreographed shows in USA and Canada with Shah Rukh Khan and Juhi Chawla, London, Norway, Sweden, South Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, Dubai and Muscat. He has received a special award from the Mayor of Kensington, UK for his contribution to fashion. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're ready to rock, fashion at Aman Akash is all set to roll. We kickstart the evening with a collection by Gen Next designers, young designers of your city who will be the superstars of tomorrow. 3 young designers, Siddhi Shah, who has already launched her label Tasah, retailing out of her studio at Stadium area. Hailey Patel, a semester 5 student of NIFT Gandhinagar. Namrata Agrawal, also a semester 5 student of NIFT Gandhinagar. While Siddhi Shah presents a collection of casuals in organic cotton and khadi, Haley presents a collection of summery designs in cotton and georgette in a floral theme. And Namrata showcases 3 garments in organic fabrics, jute, gumti and khadi, in unusual and creative cuts and designs with tasseled embellishments. Our trio of Gen Next designers is mentored by seasoned designer Jigvijay Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Siddhi Shah, Haley Patel and Namrata Agrawal, presenting Gen Next. Well, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for our Gen Next designers for that fabulous collection. And what a way to kickstart fashion at Aman Akash. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Aman Akash, twin premium venues that offer an unparalleled out-of-this-world experience. Call it a party plot or an event lawn, for want of a better word. Aman Akash redefines the very word premium and sets a benchmark for all other venues to live up to. Beautifully designed and aesthetically laid out, both Aman and Akash adjoining venues are the gold standards, the benchmark venues for mega extravaganzas, star nights and movie launches, award nights, corporate mega events, product launches, musical concerts, weddings and celebrations of all kinds. And yes, fashion extravaganzas like Fashion at Aman Akash Season 1 that has zoomed to the next level thanks to this amazing venue. Aman Akash has recently, for the 7th year in succession, hosted the 9-day Garba Festival. This year, in association with Radio Mirchi, with 6,000 to 7,000 people dancing each night, this Garba Festival has, once again thanks to this beautiful venue, become the most prestigious Garba event across India. Aman Akash, the pride of Gujarat, the pride of India, setting standards for India and the world. And yes, we would also like to acknowledge our wonderful F&B partner, Moments Memories Beyond Catering. Star Jewelers now present beautiful jewelry for all ages for this festive season and beyond. Neck pieces, chokers, earrings, bangles, bracelets and more. The purest of precious metals, the finest of precious stones, the most exquisite designs, intricate craftsmanship. Star Jewelers is located off CG Road, Ahmedabad. Check out this collection from Star Jewelers. gentlemen, for Star Jewelry, please welcome on stage Mr. Sohil Shah. Ladies and gentlemen, Sohil Shah of Star Jewelry. Dream it, own it. This collection has been styled by Ruby Delvina, designer and stylist from Canada, and she will also be styling several other collections during the evening.